Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and selecting the correct cable. This prevents flaky links. Once done, attach the camera to the computer using USB-C, HDMI, or an interface box. Make sure connectors are fully seated. Next, install or verify drivers so the OS can identify the device. Some cameras use class drivers, others need vendor installers. Finally, enable camera power and switch to the proper output mode so the computer sees an active video feed. You now configure the receiving software. Choose the camera as the input source so the app pulls video. Then match resolution and frame rate to the camera to avoid scaling or dropped frames, and set color space for accurate tones. Make sure the OS won't suspend USB power or throttle bandwidth. Change power profiles if needed. Also grant privacy permissions for camera and microphone. Once configured, run a short test capture to confirm smooth, synced video and audio. You finish by recording a short test clip to validate exposure, focus, and audio sync. Adjust white balance and gain as necessary. Once satisfied, save presets on the camera or in the app to speed future setups and update firmware for stability. Secure mounts and cable strain relief to avoid accidental disconnects. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting step is simple. Swap the cable and port. Most faults are physical. If that fails, reinstall drivers and reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.